Have you ever wondered how to make authentic Indian chicken curry at home? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving headfirst into the vibrant world of Indian cuisine to bring that aromatic and flavorful dish to your kitchen. So grab your apron and let's embark on this culinary journey together. First and foremost, gather all the ingredients. You'll need a pound of chicken, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 tomatoes, and 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget the key spices: turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and cumin seeds. Add to that list a bit of ginger, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, and a couple of green chilies for that extra kick. Start by marinating the chicken. Combine the chicken with a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder. Mix well and let it rest for at least an hour, allowing all those flavors to seep in. While the chicken marinates, turn your attention to the onions and tomatoes. Chop them finely, along with the garlic and green chilies. Now, heat a good glug of oil in a pan and toss in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they begin to crackle, add the chopped onions. Sauté until they turn a golden brown. Next, incorporate the garlic and the green chilies into the pan. Once the garlic browns, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes soften and the oil starts to separate. Now it's time to add the marinated chicken. Sauté the chicken on a medium flame until it turns a nice even brown. This is when you add a teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste. Stir well, cover the pan, and let the curry simmer for about 20 minutes. Uncover the pan and check if the chicken is cooked through. If it is, garnish with chopped coriander leaves. If not, give it a few more minutes. And there you have it, authentic Indian chicken curry right in your kitchen. To summarize, marinate the chicken in spices, sauté onions, garlic, and chilies. Add tomatoes and cook until soft, then add the marinated chicken. Cook until done, add garam masala and salt, and garnish with coriander leaves. This dish is a testament to the rich and diverse palette of Indian cuisine, and an easy way to bring a piece of it into your own kitchen. Enjoy the process and savor the results. After all, cooking is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Happy cooking!